The trial of Ntuthuko Shoba has been postponed to next week, Tuesday, after the state and the defense close their cases. Shoba is accused of masterminding the murder of his pregnant girlfriend, Tshegofatso Pule. A witness identified only as X testified earlier today. Self-confessed hitman Ntuthuko used the witness's vehicle to pick up Pule on the day of the murder. Our reporter Silindelo Masikane tracking proceedings for us in court today is joining us now live this afternoon to give us an update. Good afternoon, Silindelo. How did this witness X describe convicted hitman Ntuthuko?
Well, Braddan, proceedings began in the afternoon today, where the defense called their last witness before closing their case in the matter of the trial of Ntuthuko Shoba. And this last witness has requested that the defense ask the court that their identity not be revealed because they fear for their safety and the safety of their loved ones. And so the judge did agree to this and asked the media that any publication of their testimony not make any references to revealing who they are, their whereabouts, or any type of reference that could identify them. And so the witness was then called. We'll refer to them as person X. And what they did really, Braddan, today was to just corroborate some of the testimony that was brought forward by the convicted killer in terms of the events that unfolded on the 4th of June 2020, which was the day in which Tshegofatso Pule was murdered. In terms of Malepane saying that he was hanging out with friends earlier in the day, who those friends were, also corroborating or identifying the car that was used and commissioned in the murder of Tshegofatso Pule. Just going into some of what she knew in terms also of how Malepane made a living, saying that what she knew was that he was a hustler, but also said that he would buy cars that maybe were in accidents, fix them up, and then sell them off, and that's how he made a living. So just really going into some of the material facts of the matter in terms of what happened on the 4th of June, but any more than that, that was not elaborated on. So let's just take a listen to some of that testimony this afternoon.
Yes, you say that you never saw Mr. Malepane selling cigarettes or alcohol from your home.
Yes.
Is there any way that he could have done so without you noticing?
I would think maybe he knew someone who was selling. Yes.
But if you were, if Mr. Malepane was storing cigarettes or alcohol at your home, is there any way you wouldn't have noticed it?
No.
You say that Mr. Malepane wasn't formally employed, but he survived.
Yes.
Did Mr. Malepane ever discuss how he made money with you?
Yes, so when I met him, he was driving a Polo, so he had sold it and said that he's gonna buy cars that were in an accident, fix them, and then sell them.
Yes.
Yes.
Did Mr. Malepane ever strike you as secretive about his business dealings or how he made money?
I wouldn't say secretive.
You wouldn't say secretive?
Yes.
You would?
I wouldn't say secretive.
Okay, we'll have to wait until next week, Tuesday, now that the defense and the state have rested their case in this murder trial. Now,